Here's my vacuum cleaner. Here's my Bissell, my Dyson DC33. Right, next I'll plug my Bissell in. See, I'll make this one like a tester on. There's no attachments now, and you should this help. And if it works, I'll send it to YouTube, and hopefully it's alright. Here's my plug it in. I'm gonna just do like a little test right here. Actually, I'm gonna do it over here because I like it. I'm just going back and forth. Okay. Put it down. I'll put my headphones on. Quick test. Alright, back to the door. That's it. Okay, now, sorry, just to pause for a little. Remember, make your core a little longer. You gotta cover, hold coverage to hold.